Welcome to the Easy Computer Tech channel, and this is to talk about a optional update that is available for Windows 10. So you might actually check out your optional updates on Windows 10. You will see something like this appear in this if you're on the May 2019 and the November 2019 updates, version 1903, 1909, KB 4532695 available. It's a big list of bug fixes. Nothing in security in here, so you don't have to install them if you don't have any problems. But it is definitely a big update that's available for bug fixes. So if you have some problems, maybe this is going to fix something that you might have as an issue in the 2019 versions of Windows 10. Of course, that comes in pair. That means that the May 2019 and November 2019 are fixed at the same time because they are at the core pretty much the same version, except for a few minor changes. So when this is actually done, you should be at version 18362.628 or 18363.628, depending on the version you have. If you're on an older version, this bug fixing was actually done on the October and April 2018 updates last week. So you might want to check it out if you have some issues. It contains roughly the same bug fixes, except for a few minor things that are different. And so those were released last week. And last but not least, you know when they say if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Well, if you don't have any problems, you don't have to install them. They actually come in a update that is really optional update, so you don't have to install them if you don't want to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.